Hello, my name is Grant Fritchey. I am the past president. Welcome to the October edition of the Pass Connector. Now, just a reminder, you can also subscribe to the new DBA, Developer, and BI Pass Insight newsletters on pass.org. So check those things out, get on top of it, and get informed the way you want to be informed, okay? We are about 1 month exactly from Pass Summit 2018, where we will be celebrating the 20th Summit. 20 summits we've had. We're going to be celebrating this milestone by collecting a whole bunch of stories from you guys, from the community. And so make sure you check out Pass Summit V20 page and read the stories. And hey, if you've got a good story to share, please share it. We want to hear from you. We're also excited to announce that the previously named welcome reception is going to be transformed into the Pass V20 celebration. Same time, same place, but we've tossed in a bunch of surprises and some stuff that's going to make it very different. So please make sure, come check it out, and I hope I see you there. Now, the Pass Stuff online store has been launched, and so you can order Pass SQL Saturday and Pass Summit V20 gear and pick it up on site at the conference. There's some really cool items in there like socks. I'm probably going to get some socks. I'm actually kind of getting excited about the idea. And because, Pass socks, you got to have those. Anyway, please check out that thing right now. And now if you're attending Pass Summit, also make sure you go to the activities page. There's the speed networking, games night, special lunches, special breakfasts, all that stuff that's going on at Summit. It's all going on, and you need to make sure that you engage. Don't go back to your hotel room. Engage there at the event. This edition's Pass Summit Community Spotlight highlights SQL Saturdays and the impact that they continue to have on the community. So please make sure you read those stories. They're very, very useful. It's good stuff. Now, the next virtual event is going to be the Pass Marathon Architect. That's on October 17th. It's going to have the best practices in data modeling, data warehouse solutions, ETL, data architect development, all that fun stuff. Registration is open right now, so get on that and take care of it. Now, if you want to contribute to the future of the Pass organization, applications for the board are open. The 2018 Pass Board of Elections starts on October 10th, and man, I do encourage you, if you think you can help us make a difference, we need you. Please, we need you. Step in now. It is time. And, it is your chance to give back. If you've got things from this community, as I have, it's your chance to do something for the community, as I'm doing now. So please, I encourage you, take part, help us out. That's it for this month. I really look forward to seeing you guys in Seattle in November. I mean, it's coming up real fast, so I'm very excited. And let's get together at the 20th Pass Summit. That's going to be a great time. Thanks a lot. My name is Grant Fritchey. I'm the president of Pass.